If you've ever felt like you are all over the place, trying new style, trying new tools, trying different niche, different art styles, and you feel like you're a very confused artist, stop overthinking about it. You're not confused, you're just curious. So people love putting label on a particular thing or a particular niche or a particular art style, and they say pick a style, pick a niche and just build on it and don't experiment on other stuff. When you tend to do a lot of things, they call you confused, they call you inconsistent. But here's the truth. Your curiosity or experimenting on other tools and other niche is your superpower and is what fuels your creativity. Without it, you wouldn't have even started drawing in the first place or creating whatever type of art you want to create in the first place. Think about it. Whenever you've tested a new brush or a new color palette or a new art style that you've never tried before, your brain is collecting data and you're building skills you don't even know you needed before. You're not a machine pumping identical prints or something like that. You are an artist and an artist evolves. If Picasso stuck with realism art, we are not going to be able to get cubism. So the more you evolve, the more you experiment on different style, the more you discover yourself and the more you refine your style as well. So you're allowed to explore, you're allowed to change your mind, and you're allowed to be curious. It's not confusion, it's called curiosity. So instead of fighting your curiosity, make it part of your brand, make it the fuel that pumps your creativity. Document your experiments, share your arts, share your failed arts, share your most beautiful arts, and post them online and share your growth with your audience. The more you share your growth with your audience, the more you build up a family and you build up an audience that actually resonates with your art. People follow an artist who is growing in real time because they resonate with whatever he's posting, or they resonate with the content he's dishing out, and because they see themselves in that art or they see themselves in that artist. Your curiosity is your content. So when next you feel confused on where your art is heading to, just remember that it's not confusion, it's curiosity. And curiosity is what makes your art evolve and makes you evolve as an artist and makes you shape your mind and shape your skill as well. So curiosity is what differentiates an artist who copies and also an artist who creates. So if this is relatable to you, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also drop your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.